Okay, so here we have the LIDL 20 volt battery, although it's really 18 volts nominal. So it's a 5-cell series, 2 parallel. The cells in question are 2000 milliamp, that makes this a 4 amp hour battery, and they're INR cells, so they can take at least 10 amps discharge because they're INR. INR is also a much safer chemistry than ICR, and it's just a far superior battery all round, to be totally honest. The cells themselves are not actually branded. They've just got, well, they are branded. They're branded Parkside, which is the LIDL's trade name for the drills and the batteries and everything else that goes with it. So what these cells actually are, I don't know. They've been rewrapped, and I believe the actual wrapper that was underneath has been removed. So I don't think it's going to be easy to tell just by cutting the wrapper off and looking underneath. But they're INR, so presumably they're something reasonable. Well, they are reasonable, being INR. And they're tool batteries. They're going to be fairly high discharge, so 10 amps plus, I would say. And I was going to use these in an electric bike battery build. Now, I've done it before with ICR cells, Samsung 22Ps to be precise. They claim 10 amp discharge, but I was getting massive voltage sag despite having good connections and everything. And the cells got really warm at around sort of 6 amps per cell. Hopefully it's a bit different with these, although I'm not going to be using this on such a high powered e-bike. I'm going to be using 5 of these batteries in parallel and 3 in series. So it's going to be powerful enough, but it's not going to be crazy. Running a Muxus 5K turbo. So that's going to be a pretty interesting build. And I'll be able to charge these on a regular charger or just on the hobby charger, keeping note of the cells, making sure they're in balance and such. But I'll feed the wire in through the battery casing, and I'll also be able to use these on the drills as well when I want. Because I'm going to leave this connector intact, and I'm going to leave everything intact so I can just plug it into the drill. And it should work pretty good. As I say, we don't know who made the cells because they've completely been rewrapped, and every trace of who made them's gone. If anyone knows, then let me know in the comments. But apart from that, it seems like a pretty good deal for the money. That concludes this video on the LIDL Parkside drill battery, 20 volts, that's really 18 volts nominal. See you later.